All right, boys, this is the final round. When the bell rings, make this fight epic.
The Kings are back.
Let's go!
Anyone can now make epic fight videos in minutes with this workflow from Morphic.com. You drop in a photo of the winner and a photo of the loser. You can set the fight location or just leave it blank, and the workflow picks one for you. You can add specific directions or skip it entirely. It still works. You can even choose which AI model you want running the whole thing. That's it. Hit run, and what comes out is a full-blown fight scene between the two people you uploaded. Epic fights, no effort. The Epic Fight Creator, only at Morphic.com.